Here are the 4 different types of YouTube ads that you can use as a real estate agent to generate leads and clients today. The first one being in-stream ads. These are skippable ads. They are shown at the beginning of every YouTube video or during a video. You can't skip the first 5 seconds, but after the first 5 seconds, you can actually skip the ad. And this format utilizes a cost per view (CPV) bid strategy, meaning that you only pay if they watch over 30 seconds of your ad, or if it is less than 30 seconds, if they watch it in full, or if they click on the link. The second type of format of YouTube ads that you can use as a real estate agent to generate leads and clients are non-skippable ads. So non-skippable ads are ads that are 15 seconds or less and they cannot be skipped. So the viewer must watch them in full. And this type of ad utilizes a CPM, cost per thousand impression bid strategy, meaning that you will pay regardless of how long they view your video ad. The third type of ad that you can utilize as real estate agents are bumper ads. And these are the same as the non-skippable ads, except that they are limited to 6 seconds. The fourth type of YouTube ads that you can utilize as a real estate agent are non-video ads, or overlays and banners. And as the name suggests, these are overlays that shows up, that pop up. It's usually a white screen or a black screen with a title, a few texts, and a logo of the company advertising. My recommendation, if you're a real estate agent, you're trying to get the most amount of leads quickly, I would go with an ad that is from 15 seconds to 30 seconds long, meaning it will be a skippable ad, the first type of ad that we talked about. The reason why I recommend this is because you're not going to spend money on people who watches your video but are not even interested. You're going to spend money only on people who watches over 30 seconds of your video. So keep in mind, if they're watching 30 seconds of your ad, it is an ad that they're watching. Keep in mind, they're already on YouTube. They're watching something else that they're interested in, but they decide to spend over 30 seconds of their time watching your ad. So they must have an interest in either selling, buying, or real estate in general. Then, only then, you'll pay for that. But if they watches less than 30 seconds, you don't pay a cent. The second reason why you would use this ad is to build trust, authority, and have enough time to give them a reason to click on the link in the first place. Between 15 to 30 seconds, you have the time to build trust, explain who you are, who you're targeting, and what you're offering as a lead magnet.